Okay, 27 here. Deaths among young people, 15 to 24. Leading cause of deaths, and the number of deaths in 2005 were accidents, um, homicide, suicide, cancer, heart disease, and congenital defects. Make a bar graph to display this data. So if I do that, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say we got accidents, homicide, suicide. If I can spell correctly here, sorry about that. Suicide, cancer, heart disease. I always try to go fast on these so you don't have to spend too much time on the videos, but at the same time I know I need to slow down because you're probably watching this because you want some help. So let me know in class if I need to slow down. Congenital defects. Okay, so this is your categorical variables on the bottom always, and on the vertical axis is always going to be counts, and it'll be percents if you want relative frequency bar graph. So here we go. So I want to figure out what scale should I put on here. It goes up to 15,000, but I'm low here, so ooh boy, so it's going to be kind of tough. So let's do this. If I go 5,000, 10,000, okay, 15,000. Now this is going to be a tough one because some of these are so small. So accidents will be 15,000, 567. This is where you really do want to write the exact number on. Okay, homicide, 53, 5,000. 53, 59. I'm trying to read and write at the same time. 5359. Suicide, 4139. So just below there. 4139. Cancer, 1,717. Heart disease, 1067. And congenital defects, 483. Okay, so we've got that's our bar graph for that data. That's A. And then B, to make a pie chart, what other piece of information do we need? Well, remember, to make a pie chart, I have to figure out the percentages of things, because all of this has to be a percent of the whole circle. So I need percents. In order to do percents, I need to know, this is B, I need to know the total number of deaths, and I would need to know the number of other deaths. I would need to know other deaths total, because certainly there are other deaths besides accidents, homicides, suicides, cancer, heart disease, and congenital defects. Were there other reasons for deaths? It might be a small number, but there's other reasons that fit into those categories, or those that's not an exhaustive category or list. So it'd be other than total deaths, because once I know total deaths, then I could figure out what's the percent of, I can find the percent for each one of those, and then I can put them into this pie chart. Does that make sense? All right, there we go. Thanks.